I'm making puffed wheat squares or puffed wheat cake. Start with a half a cup of corn syrup, a third of a cup of butter or margarine, so I'm going to use a bit of both. 1 cup of brown sugar. I'm going to turn it on to medium high, and while that's on heat, I'm going to put 8 cups into a bowl of puffed wheat, so when it's ready to mix I can dump it in all at once so I can get a proper mixture of it. 1 teaspoon almost of vanilla extract. Lightly cover the pan with margarine or butter. Two tablespoons of cocoa. If you like it more chocolatier, put a little bit more. I'll go about that much more. There. Now I can shut the heat off and dump the puffed wheat cake right in there and start mixing. Okay, here's the pan. And before you cut into it, let it cool down a little bit.